What's up, everybody? It's Don, VR Gamer Dude, and tonight, man, I can't get this smile off my face. And you want to know why? Well, if you've been following my Twitter or my Facebook feeds the last couple of days, you already know why. I got a mysterious package at work, and lo and behold, it's an Oculus Quest. And man, I cannot thank Oculus enough for sending this out, man, and sending it out early. So, and you know, I can't thank you guys enough. I mean, you guys know I've been struggling a little bit, and there's been a lot of encouragement out there on Twitter and Facebook, a lot of positive emails coming in. So, guys, thank you so much. I don't know if it was all of your tweets and, you know, threatening to eat socks and whatever that helped me get this, but man, if it was, it really got me in the feels. And I'm not gonna lie, when I opened that box, man, there's a little tear streaming down my eye. So tonight we're gonna jump in there. I've already got it all set up, but I haven't really done anything with it other than just, you know, getting it actually set up to the point where it's ready to go. So we're going to jump in and we are going to take a look at the first steps because, well, it's our first steps. So, all right, let's go ahead and get this baby on my head. Let's get those controllers in my hands, and let's take our first steps in the Oculus Quest. Very cool. Okay, I gotta say, this is just Oculus is nailing it. It's like I'm living in the future.
Welcome to Oculus. After this tutorial, you'll be ready to explore.
Sweet.
First, let's get familiar with the Guardian system. Look around you. This grid wall is the Guardian system.
Okay, very familiar with that.
This grid shows the boundaries of your play area. Don't move or reach beyond it.
Oh yeah, no, or otherwise you smash a 65.
It's time to learn about your Oculus Touch controllers. Now, try pressing all of the glowing buttons with your thumbs.
Okay.
Try moving the thumbsticks around.
Sure.
The thumbsticks can also be pressed like buttons.
Really?
Press them in until you feel them click. Next, use your index fingers to squeeze the triggers on your controllers. Locate the grip buttons and squeeze them with your middle fingers. Now let's see what your virtual hands can do.
Oh, let's do that.
To make a fist, squeeze the grip with your middle finger and hold it down. To point, keep squeezing the grip and just lift your index finger. Now use your index finger to push the button in front of you.
Okay, so obviously for me, this is all pretty basic stuff. I mean, I've been, you know, using the Oculus Rift and the touch controllers forever. But man, I gotta tell you already, if I was a newcomer, this is gold. So, all right.
To pick up an object, squeeze and hold the grip button with your middle finger. Release the grip button to drop it. Your virtual hands can do just about anything. Go ahead, play with some of these items.
Okay, well, let's play. So, man, I gotta tell you, the tracking is like super precise. Now, I've used this twice.
Looks like you're getting the hang of it.
I used
Here's a few more to try.
The first time at OC5, yeah, I'll be able to juggle. I did finally catch it though. But anyway, yeah, I used it the first time at OC5, and then obviously just a little over a month ago, you know, a month and a half ago, I got a chance to go out to PAX East, compliments of Oculus. So, Oculus, thank you again. You know, there I got like 2 hours a day for 4 days with this, and so I really already have a sense of what it is to use it, but none of this was available. I mean, we had very, very limited demos. So I gotta say, man, the tracking in my own home is so much better. I mean, it's like super, super precise. So, alright. Now, obviously, it is, you know, inside-out tracking, so it's going to have some little issues, like some pop if you get your hands too close to the damn faceplate. But, Jesus, why? Why would we be even caring about that right now? Because this is so freeing. I mean, not having that wire tugging against you, not having that PC anchoring you to the world, it is absolutely freaking gold. So, alright. Let's see here. I'm gonna drive my blimp. I'm just throwing some airplanes at you. Ah! Okay, so I'm just having too much damn fun in here.
When you're ready to explore some new VR worlds, insert a cartridge into the console.
Okay, I'm gonna save you for last. So let's see. I have not seen this, and that's really cool. So that's kind of like the console in Oculus Home for the Oculus Rift. And I really like that concept of grabbing the cartridge and putting it in the console inside the virtual world to start applications and start games. So, alright, let's see here. Looks like we got a little gun game going on here. Excellent. Give me a pistol. Nice. 3, 2, 1. Bring it. Boom, 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 boom. I mean, just precise. Precise aim on this, man. 2 pistols. Can I have 2 pistols? I'm talking about precise, but see, now I'm not paying attention. Very cool. Yeah, it can do some behind the back tracking. That's what I'm talking about. Maybe over the head. That's right, I can do over the head. Use that fifth camera. You know, obviously that fifth camera makes it a little bit better. But now I can tell you right now, the tracking on this with the 4 cameras is blowing my Windows Mixed Reality, my Odyssey Plus out of the freaking water. So, oh man, I mean, this is like excellent tracking. You can see it was tracking behind my back. I'm trying to get positioned, but okay, so let's see. Oh, now we got 2 guns. Alright, let's go. Dual wield. So precise. Grab it. Got all the slot machine down. Okay. So, stuff those guns. I think we're done with the gunplay. I don't want to make this video obviously super, super long, so check that out. Alright, let's see the cute little robot.
When you're ready to explore another virtual world, insert the cartridge into the console.
You know, I am going to explore that virtual world here, but I am going to walk around for a minute. Because, you know, like I said, guys, the wireless is not super new to me. You guys know, or at least if you watch my channel. My Rift, you know, I've had the TP-Cast wireless on it for a while. But even the TP-Cast wireless, man, it does not compare to this. You know, with the TP-Cast, you always have like little tiny little glitches here and there. This so far is absolutely flawless. I'm gonna walk through this table here. So, and another thing, oh wow, the Inside Plus tracking. I mean, I just broke the planes, and I don't know if you're gonna be able to see this because I don't know if this records. But I just broke the plane of the Guardian system here, and it actually fades the world in. It's like I can pet my cat in VR. It is so freaking cool. So, alright, let's get to it. It's time for you guys to see a fat man dance with a robot here. Okay. And so, one. There we go. Two. There he is. Solo guy. Hey, I'm over here. Oh my god, my kids are gonna freaking die. Okay, how's it going? Yeah. Uh-oh. We got a beat. That's right. So he tracks your movements. Oh, that's so cool. Yeah. I'm not a dancer, guys. That's so cool. Yeah. It's like you guys are gonna laugh your ass off if I actually try to play Dance Central. So, get down. It's kind of hard for VR Gamer to get down because I've got a 3-level spinal fusion going on here. And I threw my neck out trying to get ready to move. So, alright, let's try his hand here. Oh my god, this is making me feel like I'm a kid, man. Oh my god, this is so cool. Okay, I love first contact with the rip that disclose first contact out of the water. And you know, I had already seen those videos, so I kind of knew what to expect. I really wish I hadn't, because I really would have loved to have seen this firsthand. So very, very cool. Freestyle finish. Here we go. I'm just starting to fit this series out. This is making me sweat. 70 spin. Okay, so that was absolutely insane. I know, right? This is so cool. And I'd love to dance with you again, but nobody wants to see that. They don't want to see my fat jiggling around here on camera. So I think we are going to go ahead and cap it here. I know, you're sad, I know. But it's time to pull the cartridge and say goodbye. Alright, see you, buddy.
When you're ready to leave this tutorial, insert the exit cartridge.
Alright, so I think we are ready to leave this tutorial, guys. So there it is. We have taken our first steps into a larger world. No, just kidding. But we have taken our first steps into the Oculus Quest. So I want to thank you guys for watching to the end of the video if you did. If you have pre-ordered this, it comes out next week. It's gonna blow your doors. So for me, that's gonna do it tonight, guys. Thank you so much for watching. And you know, if this is your first time coming by the channel and you liked what you saw, don't forget to smash that subscribe down there. Come along with me the next time I do something cool in virtual reality. I'd love to take you with me. And if you're already a subscriber here on the channel, guys, thank you so much for everything that you're doing to help me out, all the encouragement, you know, people who have been pitching in on the GoFundMe. I am going to pitch that here for a minute. I do have the GoFundMe going. I am going to put a link for that in the description. Obviously, Oculus sent me this headset, but there are plenty more out there that I would love to show you guys, specifically the upcoming Valve Index. So, more on that. But guys, if you are a subscriber, I can't thank you enough. We're past 6,600 subscribers now, on our way to 10,000. We want to hit 10,000 by the end of the year, so tell your friends, like it, tweet it, share it, whatever you got to do. Let's get there. So for me, I'm going to go play some more stuff in my Quest. I'll see you next time. This is VR Gamer Dude, signing off, y'all. Peace.